Hi, I'm Katie, this is Chad, and this is the She Shed, and come in for a tour.
So it's I believe a 2002 Thomas flat nose. It's roughly 38 feet, or so I got about 35 feet from the back of the driver's seat to the back bumper. We have the two couches up front here. Actually double, they are mattresses, so they double as beds as well. We use them quite a bit when we have people come with and they stay with us there. We have all reclaimed cabinets that we found through the time we were process of our building, and we just painted them to match the bus, so they all match nice. And currently we're still running off of shore power and generators, so we don't have solar at this time ready to go, so we are able to use, you know, residential refrigerator. So everything runs off of 110. We do have inverters when we're running down the road that the batteries charge off the generator or off of the bus. Not a great boondocking setup, but right now we're still pretty new to this, so we're still learning.
I keep saying in these that Skoolies are never done, they're done-ish. And it just keep improving it. And
this is one of our first events, and when we get home we're changing a bunch of stuff already, so you know. We do have two kids, so we built 4 bunks back here. With having the 2 kids, we decided to go with the 4 bunks, so you got, you know, these are narrow twins, so they're a little bit smaller, but that way they can bring their friends. And I did make sure I built them strong enough so like a full-size adult could sleep on here and it will hold you. We had resources for a black tank instead of a composting, so we did go that way. Composting is definitely something we're probably looking to it for the future to be a little bit more sustainable without worrying about black tank. But I found a place that salvaged campers and bought all the stuff we needed to do it that way, and it was actually very reasonable. Back here we just have a queen, regular residential mattress, nothing fancy. Little bit extra room back here so that way we have room to move around. We do carry 75 gallons of fresh water with us, so we do have a 75 gallon freshwater tank. I mean, we hardly ever use it all, so it's kind of nice. But yeah, so this is our bus.
oh, well, thank you for the tour. And do you have social media presence that people want to contact you guys?
Katie does, yes. So definitely, okay. I think we're Skoolie @ _ the She Shed.
I'll get her to write it down.
Instagram.
I'll put it in here. So.
All
right. Thank you for the tour.
Yep.
Hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.